UK tradespeople lose thousands every year because of missed bookings and unpaid invoices, so I built a fully working booking platform that solves both. Tradespeople can set their hours, and clients can request jobs easily, and tradespeople accept or decline the jobs even and send professional VT invoices that actually get paid. And the crazy part? I'm not a developer. I built the whole thing in one afternoon. No code, no dev team, and one AI tool handled almost 90% of the work. But before I show you step by step how you can turn your own idea into a real business, let me first explain the exact problem I wanted to solve. Most UK tradespeople, plumbers, electricians, builders, are brilliant at their actual work. But things get messy on the admin side. Missed calls, forgotten bookings, WhatsApp invoices, payments chased for weeks. And this is not a small problem. Many tradespeople are already chasing unpaid invoices with thousands owed on average. So I gave myself one rule: build an app that fixes all of it. Bookings, invoices, payments, and job management in one sitting. I simply downloaded Verdent from its official website. Verdent calls itself an AI technical co-founder, and that's about right. You tell it what you want in plain English, it plans the work, then it builds, and it keeps pushing the project forward on its own. So I typed exactly what I wanted. I am building TradeBook, a full-stack UK trades booking platform where clients can find tradespeople, book jobs, and tradespeople can manage their profiles, completed jobs, and earnings from one dashboard. As you can see, I selected plan mode, chose the Opus 4.7 reasoning model, and used front-end design, a pre-built skill inside Verdent, to help with the app's visual design. If you have not watched my earlier Verdent video, I highly recommend watching that first. In that video, I explained the full prompt box, all available reasoning models, Verdent plugins, pre-built skills, sub-agents, and many more powerful options. Now that everything looks perfect, let's start building, and Verdent has now started preparing the full build plan. And while Verdent is working, I want to show you one of my favorite and most unique features: parallel execution. This means I can run multiple projects, tasks, or featured builds at the same time without slowing down the main workflow. Here, I'm installing and using web app testing, one of Verdent's pre-built skills, to test the booking flow, database, pages, buttons, and user actions in parallel. When I want to add advanced features, I don't have to touch the main app directly. Verdent lets me test everything in a separate workspace first, where I can create tasks, and once it works perfectly, I can safely add it to the main application without breaking anything. Here, I want to create a booking calendar system where tradespeople can set working days, hours, lunch breaks, slot duration, and block holidays or sick days. Next, I want to add an invoice where tradespeople can generate PDF invoices with automatic subtotal, 20% VAT, final total, and track them as paid, unpaid, or overdue. As you can see, Verdent is planning, building, and testing different parts of the app at the same time. That makes the workflow faster, safer, and more powerful. Here you can see, Verdent created a complete plan to review for the first task, while the other tasks were already running in parallel. The plan included tech stack, database schema, page structure, diagrams, and full system logic. The plan is perfect for me. Within minutes, Verdent started building, not just a template, not just a landing page, but a real working system. Here is the completed first task, exactly as I described. As you can see, it still does not have the booking calendar and invoice options. And this is the part I want you to clock. This isn't a mock with fake data. I connected it to Supabase, so every booking will save live in a real database. Verdent has also completed the advanced features. I tested them separately first, and after integrating them into the main application, a fully functional TradeBook app. Let me quickly walk you through TradeBook. Here's the sign-up page. Anyone can create an account in under a minute. I'll log in as a tradesperson. Now I'm on the dashboard. First, I set up my profile, choose my trade, add my hourly rate, select the postcodes I cover, write a short bio, and save it. Next, I set my availability: working days, start and finish time, lunch break, and slot length. Clients can only book the available green slots. If I'm unavailable, I can block those dates, and they instantly disappear from the booking calendar. Now from the client side, they choose a trade, enter their postcode, and see tradespeople who cover their area. They pick a free slot and confirm the booking. On my dashboard, the request appears as pending. I can accept or decline it. If I don't respond in time, the slot is automatically released. Once the job is completed, I enter the hours worked and click Mark Complete and Invoice. The system creates the invoice automatically. Hours multiplied by my rate plus 20% VAT, with the final total ready as a PDF. The client can open it, pay, and the invoice status changes to paid. My earnings update too. The payment button is a mock for now. You can connect your Stripe or other bank account with a plugin option by Verdent. All invoices stay in one place: paid, unpaid, and overdue. So the whole payment chasing process becomes much easier. Finally, once the job is paid, the client can leave a review with stars and a comment, which updates my rating on the homepage. That's the full TradeBook flow. Sign up, set availability, get booked, complete the job, send the invoice, get paid, and receive reviews. All in one app. And here's the proof. All the data is being stored properly in my connected Supabase database, with a complete schema, tables, records, and real app data. One feature that really surprised me is Verdent Manager. You can connect it with Slack, Telegram, or your communication tools. And whenever you need a change, you simply send the instruction there. You do not need to open your PC, write commands, or manually update anything. Just explain the change, and the Verdent Manager starts working on it automatically. So that's how I went from facing one problem to building an actual working business solution. No developer, no coding, no waiting weeks. Just explain your idea, and Verdent helps turn it into a real solution. Click the link in the description to try Verdent's free trial. Also, watch my previous Verdent video where I built a complete jewelry business app. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.